Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good night, everybody. I hope you all was healthy at home. And welcome back in Agus Leaders News. Today, I will tell you the news about the earthquake in Gunung Pacitan. An earthquake with a magnitude in Gunung Kidul, Yogyakarta Special Region or DIP was felt as far as Pacitan, West Java. The Gunung Kidul earthquake was a tectonic earthquake in the sea, but there was no potential for a tsunami. The shock of this earthquake was felt in the Pacitan and Trenggalek, said the head of SMKN Earthquake and Tsunami Center, Bambang Setio Praityono, in his statement Wednesday, 20 January 2021. Thank you.